Talking faster. Informal Contractions Part 2. English in color. Gonna. Going to. Gonna. I'm gonna go to the mall later. Cool. What are you gonna get? Not sure. Just gonna walk around and see what's there. Kinda. Kind of. Somewhat. Kinda. Hey, your coat is kinda like mine. Yeah, too light for today. It's kinda cold out. Yeah, kinda. Dunno. Don't know. Dunno. I don't know what's going on. Do you? Nah, I don't know either. Hafta. The same as gotta. Have to. Hafta. I have to figure out this problem. Oh, for that you have to use a calculator. Damn, I have to buy a calculator too then. And that is all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share. See you next time.